Hey y'all, I just wanted to tell you something special about sounds, short vowel sounds and long vowel sounds. The short vowels are a, I, a, and the long vowel sounds are a, e, I, o, u. So, there's a very special rule. The E at the end of the words changes the short vowel sound to the long vowel sound. Here is A, and this is A. This is A because of this E. We say hat, hate, hat, hate. We say A because this E is here. I say met, meet, met, meet. I say E because this E is here. E. Bit, bite, bit, bite. I say I because this E is here. I. Not, note, not, note. I say O here because the E is here. Ah, O. Cut, cute, cut, cute. I say U because this E is here. You. You. So this is cut and cute. So this is an A sound, hate. Another way to say eight is A-I-T, eight. This says wait, hate, wait. Meet, meet. Bite, might. Note, boat. Cute, root. So I can say eight, A-I-T. I can spell eat, E-A-T. I can spell ite, I-G-H-T. I can spell oat, O-A-T. I can spell oot, O-O-T. Thank you very much. I hope this gives you an idea about how to change the short vowel sounds into the long vowel sounds. Hey guys, if you want your writing fixed, just send it to me at ell4refugees@gmail.com and I'll put it on my video. Thanks a lot.